Hmm. All right, GM everyone. Let's see. You should be able to see me. Oh yeah, there we go. Yeah, it's been a minute, guys. I haven't done a Brave Money stream in a while, but I need to get back into it. Um, I've actually thought about maybe changing the channel and the name a bit, but I think Brave Money is a good name, and I'll get into why the content here might shift a little bit. It'll still be about crypto investing, crypto trading, but there's going to be a little bit more heavier context behind everything. Real quick, let me just share this out real quick in the Discord. Streaming. Real quick here. Voice chat. No, not to do voice chat. So yeah. Anyways, real quick, one last link. I gotta send this to you on Telegram. Let me go ahead and send this on chat too. All right, I got it out there a little bit, so I was a little rusty. Anyways, so the title of this video is "Meme Coins are this crypto cycle's parabolic sub-asset class." So what do I mean by that? Each cycle, like the cycle before, the 21 cycle or 2020 cycle, you want to call it, it's a parabolic sub-asset class with meme coins, right? So within crypto, you have different sub-assets. You know, you got like your equity tokens, utility tokens, money, um, gaming tokens, soulbound tokens, uh, DPIN stuff, and it just are real world assets, and all this kind of um, a whole basket of different types of sub assets. So meme coins, and I've been searching for what is this cycle's parabolic asset class for like all year, basically, right? Like what is going to be the outperformer that outperforms the tier one coins, you know, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, the tier two coins, basically everyone else in the top 20, and then all will most likely outperform all altcoins beyond that. So like I was saying, last cycle it was NFTs. The cycle before that it was ICOs, Ethereum ICOs. And the cycle before that it was altcoins because they became a thing after Bitcoin. And then the first cycle obviously it was only Bitcoin. So that Bitcoin was its own the parabolic asset of that first cycle. So I'm going to highlight a video. There's this trader, Murad Mavadov. So he was very famous from his video in 2017. Let me find this real quick. Murad Pomp interview. This is what I first found out about Murad. Was on this podcast 5 years ago,
All right, guys.
which I highly recommend everyone check out. And don't worry, I'll put links into the description of this video. Um, there's a few links I forgot to put in, but I'll put in. But in my opinion, this video, Murad, the ultimate Bitcoin argument, off the chain with Anthony Pompliano, is top three, one of the best videos, interviews on Bitcoin in all Bitcoin history. Like I've watched basically every video on Bitcoin. There's no need to watch anything on Bitcoin or read anything about Bitcoin anymore. But in that top three, my top three, there's obviously Andreas Antonopoulos' "What is Bitcoin?" That's very technical. Technical, what is it? There's Wences Casares, what is money? Which then he gets into what is Bitcoin. A very eye-opening video, and then this, if you want to like bull out, this is the video to watch. In my opinion, this is my favorite. This is my favorite, number one. I was gonna say number three, but no, number one. Anyways, that's what I first found out about Murad. So lately, I've been wondering, hey, what's Murad been up to, right? So I'm back in the States. I'm in Austin right now. Was out in Asia, trying to do the Solana angel investor thing. Got a lot of L's. Got a lot of L's in that space, in the seed space. But I'm back. I'm back and been accumulating Solana. Been vocal on the timeline about accumulating Move blockchains, so Aptos and Sui, because I see those as they're the next generation blockchains. You never want, if a coin did not make it out of the last cycle's narrative, you want to forget about it. I.e. like you should not be investing in XRP, Ethereum Classic, Cardano. Like, do not invest in that. That's low IQ coins. And then the coins that lost, cycle after that was, Cosmos and Polkadot. They lost. Solana won. Solana became a tier 1 coin. Those are still considered tier 2 coins in my bucket, but eventually they're gonna keep falling. So the new cohort are the Move blockchains, right? So that's Sui and Aptos. So I think they could 20x from here, but that's not enough. It's like there's still another asset in crypto that's going to parabolically rise, right? So I was like, for the longest time I was thinking, okay, maybe it's gaming tokens. Maybe it's gaming tokens because we were promised that, last cycle. But obviously, I know how long it takes to make a game. You need 5-6 years to make a game. It's not going to happen within a 4-year cycle, and especially like within 2 years, right, of the bull part. So I was thinking, okay, maybe it's gaming tokens. The people tried to do the metaverse last time, but it just wasn't enough time. It wasn't enough time to create a metaverse, right, and generate those economies. But it's clear now that it's not gaming tokens this cycle. There's that Alex Becker guy. He's wrong. He's wrong, guys. I bet he's one of the worst crypto traders there is. Like but anyways, so Murad, so I've been catching up to see what he's been up to, and I heard of some Bitcoiner podcasts that he's into Memecoins now. Oh, I was like, really? So anyways, I'll link this in the description of the video. Actually, I can edit this video right now. So yeah, let me grab this real quick. I'm gonna just type while I'm talking because I can. So Murad and Pomp video on Bitcoin. I'm just typing. You're not seeing this, and then I'm gonna copy this link. I'll just make sure it's in the description now so people can see it. Murad on the meme coin super cycle. So this was his talk at Token 2049 Singapore 2024. I was gonna go there. I was gonna go there, but I decided no, not this year. I'd rather send the capital to invest in crypto. So that's what I'm doing. I didn't get to go out this year, which is sad. I missed a lot of parties a lot of friends went to, but it's all good. I'm just stacking. I'm putting in one little thing. 1 second here, guys. Just getting back to this, swing of things. This will be a little bit more professional. All right, cool. Description has been updated. Anyways, so you'll find the link to this video in the description. So this is like a perfect video. It's only 21 minutes long, and he lays out, and he perfectly articulates the case for meme coins, like why this is the parabolic asset class, why this will contain the 50, 100, 200x, 1000x coins this cycle. Yeah, it's the title right here, meme coin super cycle. It's not just a prediction. about the future is already happening. Like literally, it's already happening. Like we have Whiff, Dog with Hat on Solana, Bonk on Solana. They're both over $1 billion in market cap. We had Mother Iggy Azalea's meme coin went to 200 million. Andrew Tate launched a coin on Solana. I think it's over 100 million. So he articulates why the reasons why, and so I'm just gonna flip through these slides. I'm not gonna show everything here. Like you have to watch this and fully understand everything. But he talks about there's an overproduction of tokens. We're an asset production industry. I think he says asset production complex, or something like that. That's brilliantly worded. And yes, we're in an industry that is speculation first, tech second. So this is a key thing I want to point out, right? So everyone in crypto, they want to be big brain, they want to be their own crypto VC, right? Like I wrote an article because I was trying to get this like featured over at the multi-coin guys, but Kyle turned it down. He's like, oh, this is not how we do things. I'm like, okay, it was about social arb. It was social arb in crypto. They wanted something more tech focused, right? And in my opinion, like that's off. That's off. Everyone in the crypto VC space. That's why everyone got rugged, in 21 thanks to FTX. Everyone had exposure to the FTT token and all these other like supply chain tokens which are worthless and they do anything. It's because the tech will come, real world assets will come, DPIN will come, gaming tokens will come, and gaming tokens will have a spike because the games that make it will have massive economies. But if you try to, it's these are money-like assets. These are money-like assets and technology put together. But the most important aspect of that is the money. So it's speculation first, guys. So there's somewhere in this video where he talks about the three aspects of crypto, or the three most important ways to value cryptocurrencies. And there's more than three, but these are the most valuable. And so obviously there's store of value. That's Bitcoin. That's digital gold. There is payments, stable coins, obviously using coins like Bitcoin, Solana to pay for things as well. And you swap between each other, pay for different things in this on-chain space. And number three is speculation or gambling. And everything else, supply chain, DPIN, real world assets. Caveat with real world assets, I'll get back to that in a second. Like the value capture in those in everything else is way down the list compared to like those top three use cases for crypto, which is store value, payments, and speculation. And meme coins are all pure speculation, pure belief, pure cult. That's what meme coins are. That's what NFTs were. I mean, there was a community aspect with that as well. There's a community aspect with meme coins, which makes it very, very super strong. It's not just like, because there are 1,000, 100 different like crypto casinos you can go to and actually gamble, play cards, and the moonshot game or whatnot. But that's not what we're talking about. We're talking about wrapping speculation, community, euphoria, parabolic rises in price, fun, like in gambling, all into one asset, and that's what meme coins represent. So caveat, getting back to real world assets. Obviously, the real world assets, in my opinion, that will gather tremendous value will obviously be when TradFi equities, stocks, and derivatives of those stocks, options, get moved on chain, tokenized. We're talking about the entire value of the stock market will be on chain, so that obviously will be massive in value. Real estate market, tokenized real estate, will be moved on chain. That's the real world assets I'm talking about. I'm not talking about the real world assets like Nike shoes and other products which will be tokenized at some point. Like the stock market and real estate being tokenized, obviously that will be a major class. That's not this cycle. It's probably not even next cycle. I mean, there's a chance. That we could start seeing a little bit of that next cycle, but that's coming later. Right now, store of value, payments, and speculation. And again, so I'm gonna just flip through here. Parabolas are more likely to occur in assets that are difficult to value. Like he has so many like fired like statements in this video, guys. I mean, wait, there's a lot more content on them. Like look for the space. Go to my Twitter or my X account. Sorry, Elon, and go to some of my retweets. Like I retweeted a couple of spaces he was on, and he continues to drop, like tidbits from this talk, but also like new meta in those spaces as well. But like look that up, guys. Um, yeah, it's not about utility. It's like he makes a case. It's better if you don't have utility. Utility is actually bearish. There's very few things, guys, that had utility that actually became valuable, right? And they all support speculation. So if you think back a cycle before, the ICOs, right? ICOs were basically initial coin offerings. They're startups on the blockchain. What were the most important guys that made it out of that? Well, what were the actual companies, projects, dApps that made it through? Like 99% died, right? So you had Uniswap, you trade coins, speculation. You had Compound and Aave, interest, loans, so you can speculate with that. What else? You MakerDAO made it out of that. That's store value in payments. So MakerDAO, store value, DAI, payments. USDC, USDT, those are payments. Yeah, and other blockchains, basically other L1s, which were ecosystem plays that would contain store of value, payments, and speculation. Like those were winners that came out of that ICO boom. Yeah, like putting bananas on the blockchain or some garbage like that, selling weed on the blockchain. It's like that. That's bearish. Memetics, like guys, like I've watched this video like a dozen times. Like I go to the sauna, I put this on, 100%. Like definitely go here. Check. Oh yeah, I'll talk about this slide and I'll go to Bird Eye. So there are two ways to trade meme coins, guys. So there's PvP, which he calls hyper gambling. I love that word, and PvE, aka cults. So PvP is when you go to pump.fun or you see some new coin somebody said a new coin on Twitter or X, and you're like, oh, let me get into that. It's like sub 100k market cap. Like look at this. These are like a 119k market cap, 33 market cap, 34k market cap, 5k market cap. Like these are coins that are getting created right now. There are like 5,000 coins created a day on Solana, by the way. And PvP would be like you just YOLO into one of these, and you're hoping it becomes the next like Whiff or Bonk or Mother or Pepe or Mog or Harry Potter, Obama, Sonic, Inu, whatever that one is, right? Or you try to trade it within an hour, right? You're trying to get in, you're hoping this market cap is sub 100k, and it gets over 100k, and you want to exit. That's the PvP hyper gambling, and most people are going to lose on that. Like 100%, most people are going to lose on this. It's the winners are basically the ruggers, the people who just generate these and get some capital and exit out. Then there's PvE, which is the cults. So basically long-term holding, right? So and his target, I believe his metrics for this were like 14 million or maybe 5 million. It was 5 million, 40 million somewhere in the video, one of the spaces, to 200 million market cap, right? Or 250 million market cap. You want to look within that because that's established, right? I mean that has several thousand people who are long-term investors in this coin, and he's saying something that's been around since 2023, or perhaps like earlier this year. Something with staying power, something that has made it beyond like the first few days on Pump.Fun. So that's what a PVE coin is. That's what a cult is. So look for that. So what are the ones the stuff he recommends, right? Obviously now, this is not financial advice. Um, Here we go. So here's his kind of list he's been following. SBX 6900, which is my favorite meme coin at the moment. There's Giga Chad, Popcat Mog, which is on Ethereum. Apu, I think, is on Ethereum also. There's even a Bitcoin meme coin. Um, Retardio Mini. This is massive growth metrics over the last few days, guys. Like, wow, Popcat 71,000 holders. That's massive. Mog 30,000 holders. SPX is over 10,000 holders, I believe now. Actually, I need to double check that because SPX is on 3 different chains. It's on Ethereum, Solana, and Base. I need to calculate all those together. Um, but yeah, there's massive growth that's been going on in meme coins lately, and we had a pump earlier in the year. So, another thing he talks about are with these special sub asset classes and parabolic asset classes. There's usually like 3 pumps. There's like an initial pump, and then you have 2 more major pumps, and he's expecting these 2 other major pumps to happen. Next year, basically, the last year, the 4 year cycle, guys. Like 2025 is we should expect the bull market to end late. I think late 2025. Hopefully, it's a longer or typical cycle. That means second half of 2025. If you have a short cycle, it'd be first half of 2025. But the longer the better, more value capture. But yeah, so these are the coins he's looking at, and I've been stuck in. I need to look into Bitcoin. I didn't realize. I heard this in a space. I didn't realize Bitcoin was actually me. There was a meme coin, Bitcoin. Um, Here's a post I wanted to highlight, by the way, by this guy Kai10X. Why meme coin is still the next 100x opportunity in crypto. This is a really amazing write up. I only found it from a retweet by Murad. So I will be sure to put this in the description as well. But yeah, he talks about the meme coin super cycle. This is a list by from Murad. This also comes up in a couple of his talks. So only 43 tokens in the top 300 have outperformed Bitcoin this year to date. And does any category stand out? And yeah, they're mostly meme coins, and the meme coins have outperformed the most. Like, look at that Giga Chad year to date. Is that 3,000,000%? That is 3,265,000% year to date gain. Like, I forgot when Giga came out. I guess earlier in the year. Popcat 7,000%. Where is SPX on this list? Interesting. I thought SPX would be on this list. But anyways, check out. I'll be posting this in the description. So check this article out. So where to find these coins, guys? Right. So here, they're mostly on Solana. So you want to go to birdeye.so, and you can type in the coin contract, or just type in, like, here's Giga. This is the Giga Chad chart, guys. This is insane. So this launched in January of this year, literally January of this year, and mostly sideways. A little pump during the Bitcoin halving months, and then a little drain before then. And now in June, the summer, it's like we're starting to have a little a little meme coin pump at the moment. Here's Retardio. This is another coin I kind of follow. And let's go out. Let's go pull up a daily here. A massive pump this summer, but it's returning back up. This is a sub 1 billion tokens. I believe Giga is 10 billion tokens. Yeah, 9.6 billion tokens supply. This is 999 million. And then let's go to SPX. This is the one I've been buying the most of. I just like the theme. Murad has a thesis that the most TradFi guys are gonna like this coin the most. But yeah, this is tremendous. This is crazy. So this coin launched December of last year. So December of last year, SPX. January of this year, GigaChad. When did Retardio launch? Let's see, Retardio. So Retardio came out, I think February. Looks like February. Yeah, February 1st. So these are all basically almost 1 year coins. This is massive, guys. So like I found Murad talking about meme coins. Yeah, about a few just a few weeks ago, guys. A few weeks ago, and so I started buying SPX around 2 cents, and then my average cost became about 5 cents up in here. And I've been buying up here. I've been buying at 19, 18, 20 cents. Because right now, I believe on all chains. Here, let's go to CoinGecko. SPX. Because again, SPX is on 3 different chains, so you kind of have to come to this chart to get the full market cap. Because like not that much of SPX is on, like, see, only like 20 million is on Solana. It was like 2 million. It was like 2 million were on Solana. Now it's 20 million, 10x on Solana. So yeah, it's 224 million market cap now, guys. And I agree with Murad. I think this goes into the multi-billions market cap next year. He's got an insane target on this. My target is not the same as his. I'll get into my target pretty soon. But when I first found this, after doing my research into Murad, it was around 40 million. So I started investing around then. Now it's about 224 million. Basically, like all new Solana I buy right now, I converted into meme coins, and still DCAing into the moved blockchains. But yeah, so Murad's target on this, which I think is crazy, he thinks it's going to flip Dogecoin's all-time high of like 95 billion, I believe. So he thinks it's going to be $100 billion market cap, which would be insane. So I'm not going to get a tenth of that. I'm saying this is going to hit 10 billion in MCAP, right? Again, not financial advice. This is just my own thinking and how I'm projecting things, how I'm deciding to invest my money, how I research these different assets. This is how I think about things. I wanted to bring attention to followers on my channel. Hey, there is activity and things heating up in the meme coin space on Solana and Ethereum. Pay attention. Follow Murad. But yeah, that's it for now, guys. But yeah, I am going to be doing a lot more videos on this channel. You're going to start seeing a little bit more doomerism on my channel, and I'll explain what that is in following videos. But there's hope, right? There's hope. Crypto is at a hope. And we'll get into that in the future. But for now, thanks for watching, guys.